Hello and welcome back to my slow English podcast. This podcast is for English beginner listeners who want to relax, improve their English and grow mentally and emotionally through meaningful topics. Today I want to talk about something very close to the heart, gratitude. The simple words hold so much power. Gratitude means recognizing the good things in our lives and appreciating them deeply. It's about pushing for a moment and saying, "Thank you. Thank you for the sun, for clean air, for friendship, for love, for peace, and even for the challenge that touches something new." In today's episode, we will explore what gratitude truly means, why it is important, simple ways to practice gratitude every day, daily affirmations to develop a thankful heart, how gratitude can change your life step by step. Let's begin. What is gratitude? Gratitude is a feeling. It is the feeling of thankfulness. But it's more than just saying thank you. It is recognizing the value of people, situations, and even small experience. It's a habit of looking at what you have instead of what you don't have. Gratitude is not only a polite gesture, it is a deep emotion. It comes from your soul. It makes your heart soft. It opens your eyes to the beauty around you. When you practice gratitude, we begin to notice how blessed we are, even when things are not perfect. Why gratitude is important? Gratitude helps us to feel more positive emotion, enjoy good experience more deeply, improve our health, deal with adversity, build a stronger relationship. When you are grateful, your brain releases chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals make you feel happy. You become more focused, less anxious, and more hopeful about the future. Being thankful also improves relationship. When you thank others, they feel appreciated. When you express gratitude, people want to help you more. Gratitude creates a circle of kindness. How to practice gratitude every day? Gratitude doesn't require a lot of time. You can build it into your daily routine. Here are a few simple ways. Number one, keep a gratitude journal. Every night, write down three things you are grateful for. They can be small or big. Number two, say thank you out loud. Thank someone sincerely, maybe your friend, family member, or a stranger who helped you. Number three, morning gratitude. When you wake up, say to yourself, "Thank you for this day. I am lucky to be alive." Add to be of nature. Notice the beauty of the trees, sky, birds, and air. Say thank you for nature's gift. Number five, shift your focus. Instead of thinking, "I don't have this," try say, "I am thankful for what I have." Number six, express gratitude in relationship. Tell your loved ones how much you appreciate them. Kind words make a big difference. Gratitude affirmations for daily practice. Now let's do some gratitude affirmations. Repeat with me slowly. I am thankful for this moment. I appreciate the simple things in life. I am grateful for the people who care about me. I choose to see the good in every situation. My heart is filled with gratitude. I attract more good when I am thankful. I am learning to be more grateful every day. I give thanks for my health, my mind, and my strength. Let's do more. I am thankful for today. I am grateful for the lesson I learned this week. I appreciate every breath I take. My life is a blessing. I have enough. I do enough. I am enough. I see beauty in small things. I trust life's journey. I release the need to complain. How gratitude changes your mindset. When you begin to practice gratitude daily, you notice a change in your mindset. Instead of seeing problems, you see opportunities. Instead of feeling stuck, you feel hopeful. Instead of stress, you feel free. Here's what began to shift. You stop comparing yourself with others. You find contentment in small achievements. You become more mindful. You feel stronger and more confident. You become more compassionate toward others. Gratitude doesn't erase problems, but it gives you the strength to handle them with grace. Real life example of gratitude. Rina's story. Rina lost her job during the pandemic. Instead of giving up, she focused on learning new skills. She said, I am grateful for this time to grow. 6 months later, she started her own business. Ahmed's journey. Ahmed was in a wheelchair after an accident, but every morning he would say, I am grateful I am alive. I still have a voice. I still have dreams. That mindset gave him strength to keep going. A daily gratitude routine. Here is a gratitude routine you can follow every day. Number one, morning. Wake up and say three things you are thankful for before getting out of bed. Number two, midday. Pause for a minute, close your eyes and smile. Think of one good thing that happened today. Number three, evening. Write a short sentence in your gratitude journal or in your mind before sleeping. Today, I am thankful for. Dot, dot, dot. Gratitude is more than a feeling, it's a practice, it's a mindset, it's a way of life. Today, I invite you to say this. I am thankful for my journey. I trust my faith. I see blessings all around me. Even in difficult times, there is always something to be grateful for. A warm smile, a kind word, a lesson learned. Gratitude is always there, waiting to be noticed. If this podcast helped you relax and think positively, please like the video and leave a comment sharing what you are grateful for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more slow English podcasts. You can also share this episode with a friend who needs some motivation and fun. Until next time, stay grateful, stay kind, stay growing. This is your host, Abid, signing off with peace and positivity. Take a deep breath and say it with me one last time. Thank you, life. Thank you today.